How to insert a video in Google Docs. Hey everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the another video, and on today's video I will show you how you can upload or insert a video in Google Docs. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up Google Docs. Here you don't have a direct option to simply add a video, but here is the workaround. For that, you have to open up a drive. After you open up your drive, now you have to upload your video into the drive. Click on this plus button right here. Then click on File Upload. After that, upload the video that you want to add in your Google Docs. Once you upload your video, click on the three dot next to this video. After that, what you have to do is you have to click on Share. Again, click on Share. Once you see this kind of interface here, click on this drop down right here and select the second option, anyone with the link. Once you have done that, now you have to copy the link. So once you have copied your link, navigate to your Google Docs, paste your link right here. Once you paste your link, select your link from here, right click on it, and here it says insert link, click on it. Now your link is highlighted. If you hover your mouse over to the link and click on it, you will see the video pop up in your interface. You can simply play this video here. That's it. That's how you insert or add a video on Google Docs, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.